Hi everyone, Kyle Rice, MarineMax Naples, standing beside a 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This boat is white with Sea Ray blue accents, white tower, navy canvas with the new Mercury 300 V8 on the back. So we're standing on the swim platform of the boat. One of the things that I like about the 270 is even with the outboard, you still have full range of your swim platform. Back here you have a nice sitting area when you're floating or at anchor. Underneath there is phenomenal storage for life jackets, skis, all your boating items. And then when we walk inside the boat, just an abundant amount of seating throughout. The passenger and the driver's seat will actually swing forward when you're floating. Like I said earlier, you can sit rear facing. You have great protection from the sun with the water sports tower and the bimini top. This boat is equipped with the 12-inch Simrad chart plotter, which is great for your depth and figuring out where you need to go. And then over here, this boat is also equipped with the vacuum flush toilet. Moving forward, the beam of the boat is pretty consistent throughout, so you have a good amount of space up front. And then one of the cool features this 27 offers is you have the bow ladder, which will allow you to get on and off from the beach. And you also have a freshwater shower up there as well, so you can rinse off before you get in the boat. So just a great all-around day boat. Lots of seating. One of the more popular boats that Sea Ray makes. If you have further questions or would like to take a look, come see us at MarineMax Naples.